Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'll be unboxing the TP-Link Archer T4U USB Wi-Fi dongle. This is the AC1300 which supports MU-MIMO. This supports USB 3, supports 400 Mbps in the 2.4 gig and 867 in 5 gig Wi-Fi frequencies. And this supports Windows and Mac. Let's go over to the back of the box here. It says that it supports dual band Wi-Fi and it supports beamforming. Alright, let's get into the actual unboxing. Let's open this up and see what's inside. Wireless adapter, some basic information, and a quick installation guide, a disc for disk drivers, and this is the Wi-Fi USB adapter. The antenna can be opened like this and it provides better coverage. And here is the WPS button. Let's go ahead and see whether there are anything more in the box. Alright guys, this comes to the end of the video. Thanks for watching.